How we doing, everyone? We are back again. This time, 2 tickets here. We got 2 of the $20, 215 million cash explosion tickets from the Arizona Lottery. Now, these ones here, we have the overall odds. Are gonna be 1 in 3.09, and the prizes range from $20 up to that top prize of 2.5 million. All right, today, guys, we have tickets 23 and 24. We're gonna get started with ticket 23 and work our way up. This one here, we're looking for that money bag symbol there to win $100 instantly, or the 20x symbol to win 20 times our prize. All right, guys, enough talking. Let's get into it, get scratching, and get some wins. This is ticket 23, and we are looking for 24, 22, 30, 46, 12, 1, 31. All right, let's see how we do today. We're going to start out with my lucky 44. We do not have 27, 9, 18, 37, 29, 5, 48, 35, 28. Nothing there. 3 rows left. 26, 6, 45, 2, 3, 50, 10, 7, 21, 34. All right, last row here. Can we get something? 23, 19, 11, 47, and 13 in the corner. So nothing here on the first ticket. We'll set that to the side. Move on to ticket 24 here. 27, 32, 3, 14, 1, 19, 46. All right, let's see here. Gonna start out with my lucky 44 again. Not helping us at all today. 15, 32. We got a match on 32. We got something here. 12, 9. Let's see if we get anything else here. Hopefully we can get something else. 29. Another 32. 27. That's going to be a match as well. 39. 43. All right, so we got 3 matches. 14, that is going to be a match. 3 is going to be a match as well. 49, 33, 18, 25, 7, 23, 37, 47. All right, last row. 5, 34, 8, 41, and 10 in the corner. So what's that? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 matches. All right, guys, let's see what we get. Hopefully something big here. We're going to start with that 32. $5. Next 32. Another 5. 5. 10. 5. Believe that is it. Yeah. All right, so we got $30 today out of our 40 spent. As always, guys, if you would consider hitting that subscribe button, give this one a thumbs up, and we will see you on the next one.